Hello, my name is Dalia Yan and I will be running my famous photographers file for my Phase 1 Ruby project for the Flatiron School. So the way to be able to run my application is that you'd go to your terminal window and then from there we'd CD into the correct file to be able to view our bin folder, which holds the contents to run our application. Okay, so I'm in the correct folder. I'm going to run my bin file next. Here we go. Okay, so as a user, we are welcomed on our application. We are returned with a list of 20 photographers that we should know. And as the user, we can go through the list, reading each book title and each photographer name. And if something piques our interest, we can choose to learn about a publication. So as a user, we type the corresponding number below. I want to learn about number 1, Photographer's Eye, Composition and Design by Michael Freeman. So I'm going to type number 1, but my finger slips and I am returned with an invalid input. So as a user, I'll try again. 1 and enter. And I'm returned with the photographer name, the book title, a small summary about the photographer. Because I'm in the terminal Ubuntu and not in my VS Code terminal, I'm unable to click on the link to be able to use it, but as a user I'm able to copy and paste that link to either purchase the book or to view the image. So then the code is asking you, would you like to learn about a different photographer? Let's say yes. YES. And then as a user, I'm returned again with a list of 20 photographers, and then I'm asked which publication I'd like to learn about. I choose to learn about number 2. I type the word 2, which is an invalid input, and I'll try again. So I'll type the number 2, and I'm returned with the list of information regarding that photographer. Would I like to learn about a different photographer? I can say just Y. And again, I'm returned with a list of 20 photographers that I think you should know about. Let's select number 3. Or actually, let's select number 23. And then, because that's not a valid input, you're given the error code. So let's just try to learn about number 20. And when you type 20, you get more information on the respective photographer. And then again, you're asked if you'd like to learn about a different photographer, but you get tired and you don't want to learn anymore, so you just type NO. And then from there is how you exit the app. You get a thank you message, and that's how you run the application. So you can run it again by running the bin file. As a user, you're welcomed, and then you get a list of 20 photographers you should know. You can make your selection. You can choose to not learn anymore, and then you exit the app. So that's basically the gist of Famous Photographers app.